urchins. Wow. I think I'm gonna see if I can clean these up. They're good. I usually don't pick up sea urchins because they can be quite stinky. But I'm gonna see if I can clean them up and get the stink out. Wow. I guess they were just right there. Huh. Let's see if I can find any more sea urchins that aren't squished. So for the sea urchins, I definitely want to make sure they're dead. This is high tide from last night, so they're dead. So what you want to do is you want to see this bottom right here is you cut out the bottom and just pull that out, and that's where all the stinky guts are, and then you just air them out. So they're actually pretty easy to clean. Just gotta make sure you get the guts out so they're not stinky anymore. I'll give it a try. Yeah, that's like you can like soak them in alcohol for a little bit. I might do that when I get home. Put them in a baggie for now. Well, I'm gonna clean out the guts before we leave. Because of red tide, unfortunately, because I normally don't find sea urchins like that, but because of the red tide, it's killed a bunch of sea urchins. Makes me feel sad. You don't normally see this many. It's ridiculous. So sad. Alright, I don't even want to walk this tide line anymore because it's depressing. Look at that. I did find a nice shell. Turn around, head back to the room for a little bit. So yeah, this is the high tide line from last night. I can't believe how many sea urchins we just saw. Oh, there's another one. Ridiculous. So sad. I really wish I would have remembered my scissors. My tweezers. Ugh, dead fish. huge cockles this trip. Look at that. You were right, there I see anything good.